Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by signing out on the device you use most. Go to Settings, tap your name and choose Sign Out. Enter your Apple ID password when prompted. Once done, decide whether to keep a local copy of contacts, calendars, and keychain. Make that choice now. If two-factor authentication is enabled, keep your trusted device nearby to accept the code. This prevents lockouts and ensures you can reverse the change if needed. Next, disable link services before fully turning off the Apple ID. In Settings, open your Apple ID Find My and turn off Find My iPhone or Mac. Enter your password to confirm. Then sign out on every device: iPhone, iPad, Apple Watch, Apple TV, and any Macs. Deauthorize computers for iTunes/Music and App Store to free up device slots. Once every device shows signed out, you avoid. Finally, choose deactivation or permanent deletion at Privacy. Apple.com, request access, then pick Deactivate Account or Delete Account. Follow the emailed steps. Make sure you export data first: photos, backups, and app data. Once deleted, recovery isn't guaranteed. Apple provides a unique access or support ID. Save that code safely. If anything goes wrong, contact Apple support with your support ID and explain failed sign out or 2FA issues, so they can help restore access or finalize deletion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.